Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is going to bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about how to fix Android phone won't open apps. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. I woke up this morning and noticed that my Android phone is not opening apps, and I'm not getting crash reports or anything. Just overnight, my Android phone won't let me open any apps. I've tried a few things on the internet, but none of them seem to work. I haven't done anything in the past few days except installing 1 or 2 apps. Can anyone tell me how to fix an app that won't open on Android phone? We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. When apps are not opening on Android phone occurs, no need to panic. To save you out, we'll explain why and how to fix an Android phone when you can't open apps problem to turn the device back on. Cause 1. Temporary glitch. The solution is to restart the phone. Usually, the first step to deal with apps won't open on Android phone is to restart the phone. Restarting can solve most software-related problems, and it is a safe method that will not cause you to lose any data. All you need to do is press and hold the power button until the restart screen appears, and then simply click the restart icon or button, and the Android phone will automatically restart to the home page. You can also find the power off icon or button on the restart screen, turn off the Android phone, wait for about a minute, and then turn it back on. If it is a temporary software glitch, restarting the phone will help you solve the problem of installed apps are not opening on Android phone. After the restart is complete, reopen the apps that can't be opened to see if it has been solved. Cause 2. Insufficient storage space. The solution is to clean up storage space. Insufficient storage space is also a cause of apps not to open on an Android phone. In this case, you'd better clean up the storage space or delete some useless apps, files, etc. Please open the phone settings, find and tap storage in the phone settings, and check whether your space is less than 15% or less in the storage interface. If so, free up storage space or delete unnecessary files or upload some files to the cloud. After that, please restart the Android device and reopen the application to check whether the issue of apps are not working on Android phone still exists. Cause 3. App problem. The solution is to uninstall and reinstall the app. If some apps don't work on Android phone, updating or reinstalling the app is also a solution worth trying. Please follow your habit to delete and reinstall the app that has the problem. After the reinstallation is complete, try to open the app again to test whether the repair is complete. Cause 4. App is not compatible with the operating system. The solution is to update the Android operating system. Some apps are not compatible with the outdated operating system, which is why Android phone refuses to open some apps. Therefore, updating the operating system can help solve this problem. Please follow the steps below to try to update the operating system. Go to Settings. Scroll down to find and tap System or Software Update option. If an update is available, you will be prompted to download the software. Once the update is downloaded, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Your Android phone will shut down and then turn back on. Cause 5. Attack or conflict cannot be fixed. The solution is to reset the Android phone. If your Android phone is attacked or the app conflicts with the system cannot be solved by updating the operating system, then factory reset should be your last choice, because it will delete all your data and restore the device to factory settings. We strongly recommend that you back up all important data before restoring the factory settings. After restoring the factory settings, you can open apps on Android phone. Please follow the steps below to reset your Android device. Open the phone settings, scroll down to find and select System and Updates. Select the Reset option on the new screen, and finally select the Reset Phone option. After the reset is completed, the Android device may require you to reactivate your phone. Follow the prompts to complete the corresponding steps. Finally, re-download the Security Problem app to see if it works properly. Cause 6. There is a problem with the hardware. The solution is to go to the official service center. If resetting the phone cannot fix an installed Android app that isn't working, it may be that there is a problem or short circuit in the hardware inside the phone, and it cannot recognize or complete the operation of opening the app. In this case, try to contact the phone and take it to the official service center to see if they have a solution to fix apps not opening on Android phone. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix an Android apps failing to start consistently, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.